Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam, and I welcome you all to this PTC Creo Parametric series. In our today's video, we will start engineering group, and then the first tool here is hole. So we will see how we can create several type of holes inside PTC Creo Parametric. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here we can see we are already in PTC Creo Parametric environment, and in order to showcase hole feature, let me quickly create extrude. So to start with, let's quickly create this rectangle, and let's make its thickness as 100. Let's make it symmetric, and there we go. Now let's start on hole tool, and in past the PTC Creo Parametric hole feature was not that rich, I would say, especially in that case when we require to create multiple holes. But now we have got that feature also available. But in this particular video, since this topic is so large, we will start with simple hole. Okay, so simple hole is the hole which is just the drilled hole. Okay, so as soon as I selected the surface where I want it, here we can see the preview of this hole, and then by default the dia of 12, which obviously we can change based on our requirement, and then we can also control the depth, and then either can change it from here. Let's say I would like to create this 15 mm hole with depth of, let's say, 50 mm. There we go. So here we can see preview of it. Now we need to locate the position of it. Okay, so we already define the face of hole surface. Now we need to simply attach these reference collector to the references. So here what I did is I added two references to it, which is this datum plane, which is top one, and this right datum plane. Now again we can adjust it based on our requirement. Let's say I would like to create a hole that is 250 mm from this datum plane and 125 mm from this datum plane. Okay, now let's click OK, and in this way guys we can create hole inside PTC Creo Parametric. So this was a very simple hole, and probably to make these kind of hole we require special type of drill, or I would say you can do this using milling cutter. But in lot of scenario actually there used to be let me actually create a section view what exactly I want to convey. And okay, so here we can see the section of this hole. The bottom is completely flat, which is really not easy kind of hole, or I would say we require special type of drill or milling cutter to do that. So now we will see how we can create a more practical hole, or the hole that is commonly used. So let's again go to hole, let's go to edit definition, and now I'm gonna click on drill type hole. Okay, now let's again click OK, and this time again I'm gonna activate this section view, and there we go guys. Here we can see the drill type of hole. So in this way guys we can create a simple hole. The first one we saw using milling cutter, and another one we saw using standard drill. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series. In our next video we will see tab type of hole. So be sure to subscribe to Engineering Pritam to see more such video, and I will catch you soon with our next one. Till then you take care and bye bye.